Good day. The topic we will discuss today is about pronouns and its types. In this video, you will find out the different types of pronouns and their differences. Let's start the discussion. What is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that you use to refer to someone or something when you do not need to use a noun. There are different types of pronouns. These are subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, intensive pronouns, relative pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns. Subject pronouns are those pronouns that perform the action in a sentence. They are I, you, he, she, we and they. Any noun performing the main action in the sentence, like these pronouns, is a subject and is categorized as subjective case or nominative case. For examples, Mike can't attend the party. He has gone to his grandparents'. Marta is a good storyteller. She told a ghost story that scared everyone. Julie made some cakes. They look tasty. Object pronouns are those pronouns that receive the action in a sentence. They are me, you, him, her, us, and them. Object pronouns are used instead of nouns, usually because we already know what the object is. It makes the sentence easier to read and understand and avoids repetition. We normally use object pronouns after a verb or a preposition. For examples, I'll give you a present on your birthday. I have a great idea for you. Tell her that you'll take the job. I have a gift for your boss. Give it to your boss. Possessive pronouns replace possessive nouns to show ownership in a sentence. The possessive pronouns in English are mine, yours, his, hers, its, theirs and ours. For examples, please don't move that car. It's mine. That jacket belongs to Ed. It's his. Have you seen a brown dog? He's ours. Give this ball back to Melody and Pam. It's theirs. A reflexive pronoun is a pronoun used as an object that refers to the same person or thing as the subject. In the English language specifically, a reflexive pronoun will end in self or selves, and refer to a previously named noun or pronoun. Reflexive pronouns include myself, yourself or yourselves, himself, herself, themselves, ourselves, itself and oneself. For examples, since she is her own boss, she gave herself a raise. She allowed herself more time to get ready. The computer restarts itself every night. We told ourselves that we were so lucky to be alive. An intensive pronoun is almost identical to a reflexive pronoun. It is defined as a pronoun that ends in self or selves and places emphasis on its antecedent by referring back to another noun or pronoun used earlier in the sentence. For this reason, intensive pronouns are sometimes called emphatic pronoun. You can tell the difference between a reflexive pronoun and an intensive pronoun easily. Intensive pronouns aren't essential to a sentence's basic meaning. Understanding this basic difference will help to prevent you from confusing the two. Both intensive and reflexive pronouns end in the suffix self or selves, however reflexive pronouns are always objects that refer to a sentence's subject. For examples, Jesse wondered aloud whether he himself was the only one seeing what was happening. Maria knew that she herself could make a positive impact on the world, if only she put her mind to it. You yourself can easily transform your body. All it takes is a proper diet and plenty of exercise. A relative pronoun is used to connect a clause or phrase to a noun or pronoun. You see them used every day, with the most common relative pronouns being who, whom, which, whoever, whomever, whichever and that. For examples, the car that was stolen was the one they loved most. A person who loves nature is a good person. Our school, which was founded in 1995, is being renovated. I will accept whichever party dress you buy me on Christmas Day. Whoever you are behind this great initiative, I want to thank you. A demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun used to point to specific people or things. They are that, this, those and these. The words this and that are singular demonstrative pronouns. The words these and those are plural demonstrative pronouns. For examples, this is my mother's sweet home. That looks like fox. These are nice flowers but smell bad. Those are wild animals and very dangerous. Interrogative pronouns produce questions. They are what, which, Who, whom, and whose. Who, whom, and whose refer to questions related to a person or animal. What refers to an idea, object, or event, and which can indicate either a person's or a thing's. For examples, what was the name of your dog? Which is your favorite movie? Who works for you? Whom do you prefer in this competition? There's a new bike on the lawn. Whose is it?